Hi guys, welcome back to today's episode. So today is going to be a really quick one where we'll be talking about HTML tables. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so tables basically offers a way to present tabular data, right? That's what it is. To just display structured or organized data. Um, if you can see my screen, you'd see the table element. All right, and if you notice, we have about, let's call it sections, right, within the table element, right? So there are tags that are nested inside the table element. All right, the first notable one is the table head, right? T head. There's the T head, there's the T body, and there's the T footer. Right, so that basically means table body, table head, table body, and then table footer. So this looks like a lot of tags, but basically it's just repetition of a structure, right? So this is the table head, right? And then we have the table body that's going to contain the actual table data, right? So if you notice at the top of this table, you'd see the table head and it has a row. Now, table row, TR stands for table row. Now, if you notice, that table row repeats inside the table body, right? Now, it's self-explanatory. The table row means a table row, basically. Now, each table row can contain a table head or a table data, right? Or both. Now, so if you notice at the table, at the T head, you we have a table row. Now, inside that table row, we have our TH, table header. Now, if you notice inside the table body, it's still the same thing, right? That means we have, how many rows we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if I'm not mistaken. Right, so inside our body, we have our table body, we have like six rows, and each row has a table heading and a table data. All right, so it's very easy. And then at the bottom we have our table foot, right? It's like the footer of the table, right? And that table foot has its own table row, right? That has a table header. So it means if you want one row to have one row, you need to use the table row, right? And then you put your data, put your heading, put your data. So that's what it is. That's all about the table element. So right here like this is not going to give us a lot. It's not going to look really nice. It's just going to be a bunch of data. When we get to CSS, you're going to see how we can use CSS to make our table and other elements look really nice. All right, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next tutorial.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.